Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're here today. We're gonna do our first test of the K5 HLA Hybrid 3-4A combo pre-resto. I haven't done anything to this since I unboxed it, and since I guess the lighting's not the greatest out here, but just gonna give you guys another overview. And you guys can see the angle of the tube back cap. The tube was definitely facing the correct way at one point, and then whenever they threw the 4A on there, they must have switched it around for whatever reason. I was trying to find more paint on this in the better light, and it almost kind of looks like there might be UP gray on the rest of this, so this might be an all UP horn, which is pretty cool. Not 100% certain, but I guess probably is, because right there's some shiny UP gray, so this is probably an all UP horn. That's pretty cool. Really wish I knew what unit this was off of, so that way I could YouTube some videos on it and hear what she sounded like. But we're about to find that out today. Pre-restoration testing on it, and we'll get ready here. I'll set you guys in the designated sound spot here in the house. I'll run back there, give her some sound, and come back to you guys. Alrighty guys, so I mean she's she's all there, that's for sure. Definitely needs some work. Not too sure if I'll have to listen back, because this thing's pretty brutal right up front. Little fouling to it. She's a little rough. Not terrible though. Not too bad for a 2010 horn, which clearly it's had some work done to it since then, but it's definitely lived a pretty full life after it was shopped. So I'll listen back to that sound clip, guys, and kind of make a judgment call here, and start opening up the back caps and seeing what we got here. If after I get it all cleaned up and I'm not happy with it, I do have a regular 4-bell that I could put on here, and then she'll just sound like a really nice normal K5HL. But we'll see. It might smooth out a little bit after cleaning, and we'll see how the diaphragms are. I don't know if this has any broken diaphragms. I couldn't see anything from the front. Down the throats of the bells, the 4A one is really dirty, but all the other ones you can kind of see them lurking back there. Not terrible. The 4A one though has definitely seen some time. So yeah, from here I'll start disassembling the horn, take the bells off the manifold, take the back caps off, and go from there. And I'll do a video update after it's all apart, and see what she's looking like on the inside there. So hope you guys enjoyed the pre-restoration sound on this. Like I said, hopefully it'll smooth out a little bit more once it's restored, but not terrible. I've had a lot worse. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and until next time, take care.